Well, what do we have here in Tia's kitchen today?
We are making homemade crunch wraps.
All right.
Okay, so I have 2 pounds of ground turkey.
Okay.
All these products except for the shredded cheese came from Aldi.
All right.
And with my ground turkey, I put chunky salsa in it, and it Casa Mamita. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Sorry. It's delicious.
Yes.
You have to put a cup inside with the 2 pounds of ground turkey.
Okay.
Then come over with diced tomatoes, same maker,
Okay.
Casa Mamita. And then the Herdez is the queso con salsa, which is the cheese, which you can use any type of creamy dip cheese that you like, but that's the one I like. So, and then the tostadas, and then the burrito tortillas.
All right.
And lettuce.
And lettuce. Okay.
And what you do is you take the burrito and build. You put burrito, then you put meat, then you put the melted cheese, then you put your lettuce, tomatoes, and then the shredded cheese on top.
Okay.
And just layer it, then put the tostadas on top of that, and then fold in the burrito.
All right.
And go put it to the stove and toast.
Okay. Well, we're about to let you get started with that. All right.
I kind of like it a little bit meaty. You know how
Me too.
And this is fried beans, refried beans. And I'll put that on top. And then start stacking. And start closing it up. And you take it to the skillet. See?
All right. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Oh boy. That looks really good. Test time.